Hi, I'm John Trischler from SPVparts.com, and today I've got an exciting new product to show you for your 2021 Plus Gen 3 Raptor. So for those of you that got the new model or are getting the new model, the Gen 3 Raptor, if you get the 801A package, you're going to get the optional rigid fog lights. Now, Ford originally, at least from the inside information that we had, they were going to do two different lights. They were going to do a DOT approved and then an off-road light. But to the surprise of many people, they actually ended up doing two DOT approved lights, and they just put a cover on the one. Well, the DOT approved fog lights don't really put out the power and the output that most people would expect when they get their new Raptor. For those of you that have been buying lights for your Raptors and your previous gen Raptors, you know you want as much light as you can get. So we've come up with a solution for those who want to keep the factory housing and improve their light output. So we'll show you a real quick clip of how the stock ones look, and you can get an idea of how much improvement you're going to get here. And then we'll do some shots side by side here at night. This is a like light. This is from the SRM series model lights from Rigid. You can see from the front side, they look the same. All right, so here you can see on the right-hand side, on the driver's side, we have our upgraded Rigid SRMs. On the left-hand side, we have our standard DOT-approved fogs that Ford put in there. And now we're going to take this out and see how they compare in real life. All right, so let's take a look here from the front. I'm on the driver's side, and you can see already the pattern that the off-road Rigid SRMs put out here on the driver's side. They shoot out quite a bit longer and wider and definitely cover a bigger area. You'll notice here on the passenger side, these are the street legal DOT approved Rigid lights that Ford put in there based on Ford specs, not Rigid's. And this is what people are not really happy with. You can kind of see this little square or rectangle, I'm sorry, is all that you're getting coverage from, and it's just kind of right there in front of the hood, straight down there, and that's it. That's all you get. So let's do this. I'm going to stand in front of these so you can see that just the off-road versions are on now, giving you much better coverage. Now, if you had the Pro Series here on both sides, obviously you're going to get twice the light, and you're not going to have a black area right here. This is just because we're blocking this side off, but you can see already what a difference that is, and that's the only little window that those DOT lights put out. Now, if I block the other side, you can see you're really not getting much coverage other than that little rectangle. Move again, and you get coverage everywhere. So again, there's a huge, huge difference between the DOT approved that Ford had put together here to put in the trucks and getting the same style series, SRM Pros, with our upgraded mounting solutions for your 2021 Plus Gen 3 Raptors. And you can see just looking at the front here, I mean, look at the starburst here on the driver's side compared to basically nothing here on the passenger side. Huge difference, obviously a major, major upgrade for those of you that want to retain that factory look, you want to retain that OEM look. The casings, everything about these lights are going to look exactly the same as the ones you're taking out. You're just going to get a lot better coverage. So check us out at SPVparts.com to get this kit and many others for your 2021 Plus Gen 3 Raptor.